Hi everyone. So today, why lockdown? Yes, why lockdown on your creativity? When I say the word creativity, you must be thinking, oh, come on, this is for artists, this is for those who draw and paint, designers, they are very creative, artists are very creative. Each one of us has a creative streak. It's just that we express it in different forms or ways, like how I'm doing here. I'm just trying to express my thoughts or scribbling them onto books and keeping them for later or using it into different projects. I'm taking charcoal dark. What I'm trying to get here is a man with his imaginative or creative cloud. Uh, so I'll just draw the man. I put a light sketch over here. The man has the head, if you've noticed, it's always in an egg shape. There. He's holding in his hand and there. And then his creative or imaginative cloud, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. If you can imagine, you can create. Yeah, so I think most of you must be, some of you must be very good in creating good recipes. You come out with good combinations of flavors, great recipes. Some of you must be very creative in music, where you might come with great tunes, great beats, new trends. Some of you must be very good in have creative hacks or creative ways to organize your house or decorate your homes. Some of you must be having good ways to have good ways in writing. Must be very good in writing. You might come out with good short stories, good one-liners. And some of you must be very creative in managing your time. The leisure we have got now, right now. So much of time. So yes, you must be good in managing. You must be having creative ways to manage time. Some of you must be good in styling, or the other ones who become great fashion designers. So yeah, some of you must be good in gardening. Have creative hacks in gardening. Well, all of the ideas don't just come out of the blue. They come out of things that are previously there, like old ideas, combine together ideas and bring out new ones. So I'll just color these. I'm not coloring the ones I've drawn. I'm coloring the spaces outside, much like negative painting. Coloring outside. This is watercolors I'm using here. Now you need to do the face. This man is looking down at something in his hands. So yeah, he's holding the world famous character. So this is given as the gift of time, and we're just making use of this time. This is acrylics I'm using here. The ones that you see here are all watercolors, whereas the one I'm using here is black acrylics. I'll spread out the paint. Leave it to dry and I'll save it for later. Yeah, so that's the gift of Corona. Make use of your time now. You'll not get it later. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.